Okay, lesson 2-5, multiplication facts of 0, 1, 2, 5, 9, and 10. We've gone through all of these, so that we're just going to do a little review, a little sum up here. Okay. You can use multiplication to solve problems with equal groups. So Hannah buys 3 movie tickets. Okay, but the key here is equal groups. Okay, so if she buys movie tickets, we have to ask ourselves, are all the movie tickets the same exact amount? It has to be equal amounts in each group. If you drew 3, these are your movie tickets, they are each $9, okay? So then we have 3 groups of 9 and it works. But if one of these are $8 and this one is, we have a $7, a $9, and an $8, then we have to add them together. We can't multiply. It's only if we're talking about the same amount in each group. That's called an equal group, okay? So she buys 3 movie tickets and each ticket is $9. So our multiplication problem, this means groups of. So how many groups do we have? 1, 2, 3. We have 3 groups, and 3 groups of what? $9, right? So let's think about our tricks with the 9. We want to figure out how much 3 times 9 is. So 9 is one of our factors. If we're multiplying by 3, what's our first digit that we're going to write? 1 less than 3. So instead of writing a 3, you write a 2. And 2 plus what equals 9? 2 plus 7. Okay, so 3 times 9 is $27. One way to solve a multiplication problem is a skip count. Andrew bought 6 packages with 5 pens in each package. So skip count by 5s. Okay, you ready? I want you to fill this in. I'll help you with, 5, 10. Pause it. I want you to come back, see how many 6 groups of 5 is. So pause it. Okay, so 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 groups of 5 equals 30 pens. Okay, you can show multiplication with the bar diagram. Okay, remember the bar diagram, the top up here is always the total, okay? So we have groups of 10. How many groups of 10 do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 groups of 10, and use your multiplication knowledge that you know of 7 groups of 10, and that equals 70. Remember, you write the 7 down and bring the 0 over. Okay, so let's look at array number 1. Now, rows go across, okay? Rows go across, columns go up and down, okay? So how many rows do we have in array 1? We got 1, 2. So we have 2 rows. And how many counters are in each row? So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So in each row, we have 4 counters, right? We have 2 groups of 4. This is one group of 4, and this is one group of 4. So we have 2 groups of 4, and what is the answer to that? You can count by 2s 4 times if you want, or you can skip count by 4s, but we don't normally skip count by 4s. So 2 times 4 is what? 8, right? 2, 4, 6, 8, okay? All right, array number 2, looking at this one. Okay, how many rows do we have? So how many rows are there? Rows go across. 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many counters are in each row? How many are in that 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 row? It should be 2, right? So we have 4 groups of 2. So 2, 4, 6, 8. 8, okay? So 4 times 2 is 8. 2 times 4 is 8. All right, show 2 ways to solve the problem. Liliana has 5 sheets of stickers. Each sheet has 9 stickers. How many total stickers does she have? All right, circle your numbers that you see. She has 5 sheets of 9, 5 sheets, and each sheet has 9 stickers. And then here's our question mark. Work backwards from there, right? How many total stickers does Liliana have? Okay, well, how many sheets does she have? 5. And each sheet has 9 stickers on it. We could draw 9 stickers, or we can just write a 9 in it, okay? We want to know how many total. So I want you to write your multiplication problem and solve it. So pause it and come back. See how many, this means groups of. Okay, so pause it and come back. Okay, you have 5 groups of 9, right? You have 5 groups of 9. So when you're going to multiply 5 times 9, remember our trick for the 9s. Instead of a 5, what are you writing here? Instead of a 5, you're going to write a 4. And then 4 plus what equals 9? 5. So 5 times 9 equals 45. Good job.